This product made me $10,000 in just 3 days. And the craziest part? No one else is selling it. Not on TikTok, not on Shopify, not even on Amazon. I stumbled on something wild, and I'm about to show you exactly how I found it. I know exactly what you're thinking because it's the first thing I thought too. A product that pulls in $10,000 in just 3 days? My skeptic alarm went off immediately. In the world of e-commerce, if something sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. We've all seen the cycle. A product goes viral on TikTok, and by the time you can even find a supplier, the market is flooded. It becomes a race to the bottom, with everyone fighting over scraps. So, my initial reaction wasn't excitement, it was suspicion. I was ready to dismiss it as another flash in the pan, another overhyped winner that was already dead on arrival. But something about this felt different, so I decided to put my skepticism to the test and do a deep dive. My investigation started where every viral trend is born these days, TikTok. I searched every hashtag I could think of. TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, product-specific keywords, you name it. I expected to find at least a few videos, maybe some early adopters, but there was nothing. Not a single video, not a single mention. It was a digital ghost. Strange. Next, I moved to the giant, Amazon. I typed in every keyword variation, from the broadest terms to the most niche descriptions of its features. Again, crickets. No established listings, no copycats, no one even trying to rank for it. This was a massive green flag. The final and most critical test was the supply chain. I went straight to the source, AliExpress, Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping. This is where I was sure I'd find the truth. I was expecting to see dozens of suppliers with the exact same product photos, all undercutting each other. But what I found was shocking. Absolutely nothing. And that's when the pieces started clicking into place. This wasn't just a lucky find. It was the perfect storm. In business strategy, there's a concept called a blue ocean, an untapped, uncontested market space, free of competition. Most sellers are stuck in a red ocean, bloody from fighting sharks for the same customers. I realized I hadn't just found a product, I had found a true blue ocean. It had proven explosive demand, yet virtually zero supply or competition. I had stumbled onto something incredibly rare, a product with undeniable viral potential, sitting in a market with zero saturation and offering insane profit margins. We're not talking about making a few dollars per sale. We're talking about a margin that gives you the freedom to scale and be truly profitable from your very first order. And the best part? I'm going to show you how to launch it today. You can do this with no ad spend because the product's unique appeal makes it perfect for organic, content-driven marketing. And you can do it with no supplier headaches. Forget unreliable agents and month-long shipping times. The method I uncovered streamlines the entire process, ensuring you can build a real, sustainable brand around this opportunity. This is your chance to be first. Before we dive into tools and tactics, let's define what a winning product actually is. High demand, solves a problem or sparks impulse buying, low competition, not flooded across platforms. Good margins, at least 3x markup potential. Viral potential, eye-catching, shareable, and TikTok friendly. Now, let's talk about where to find these hidden gems. And here's the best part. You don't need to spend a dime on expensive trend-spotting software. The most powerful tools are the platforms people use every single day. My go-to trifecta for identifying viral potential is TikTok, Amazon Movers and Shakers, and Pinterest. Each one gives you a different, crucial piece of the puzzle. Mastering these free platforms is the foundational skill that separates amateur dropshippers from seven-figure brand builders. Let's break down the exact strategy for each one. First up, TikTok. This isn't just for dance challenges, it's a product launching machine. The key is to tap into the right conversations. Start by searching for hashtags like just TikTok, made me buy it, just Amazon finds, and viral product. Don't just watch the videos. Become a detective. Scroll through the comments. Are people tagging their friends? Are they asking, where do I get this? That's a massive buying signal. It's raw, unfiltered demand right in front of you. Look for videos with explosive growth in a short period. A product that was unknown yesterday and has 1 million views today is a rocket ship you might be able to catch. Next, we move to the belly of the beast, Amazon movers and shakers. This is one of Amazon's best-kept secrets. It's a list, updated hourly, of the products with the biggest jump in sales rank over the last 24 hours. This isn't about what's already a bestseller, it's about what's gaining momentum. A product leaping from rank 10,000 to 150 overnight is a clear indicator that something is driving a surge in sales. Often, it's a viral TikTok video. I recommend drilling down into specific subcategories that align with your interests. Look for simple, unbranded items. These are prime candidates for private labeling. Finally, Pinterest. While TikTok is about impulse, Pinterest is about intention. Users go here to plan future purchases, creating boards for home renovations, holiday gifts, or new aesthetics they want to adopt. This is a goldmine for identifying seasonal and design-focused trends before they peak. Use the Pinterest Trends tool to see what search terms are climbing. Search for concepts, not just products. For example, instead of desk lamp, search for home office aesthetic or cozy reading nook. Pay attention to the pins with high save counts. A save is a strong signal of purchase intent. It's like a visual wish list for the entire market. Now, the real secret is combining these platforms. I found my first $10,000 product this way. I saw a simple kitchen tool exploding on TikTok. The demand was undeniable, but I didn't just copy it. I went to Amazon and found the existing versions. They were all plagued with 3-star reviews complaining about the same thing: cheap plastic that broke easily. That was my light bulb moment. The market had validated the on TikTok, but was begging for a better on Amazon. I sourced a higher quality version, created a brand around its durability, and it took off. It wasn't on any winning products list because I didn't just find a trend, I found a problem within a trend and solved it. Finding a cool product is one thing, validating it is another. Here's how I check if it's worth testing. Search AliExpress for supplier options. Check TikTok Creative Center for ad engagement. Use Google Trends to confirm search interest. Look at Facebook Ad Library for existing campaigns. If it's getting views but no one's running ads yet, that's your window. Alright, let's talk about product research. So many people think you need to shell out hundreds of dollars a month on expensive spy tools to find winning products. They promise a shortcut, but here's the hard truth. By the time a product shows up on a popular spy tool, thousands of other dropshippers have already seen it. You're entering a blood-red ocean of competition, fighting over scraps. Those tools show you what's working, not what's to work. My method is different. It's free, it's boots on the ground, and it puts you ahead of the curve. We're gonna find trends at their source before they become trends. Here's how we do it. First, we go to TikTok. This is the epicenter of viral organic traffic. Open the app and search for your product keywords. But don't just look at the top videos. That's the rearview mirror. The magic is in the filters. Sort your search results by most recent. You're now looking at a real-time feed of what's being tested and posted. Scroll through these videos. Are you seeing multiple non-sponsored videos of the same product from different users? Pay close attention to the comments. Are people asking, "Where can I get this?" That's your signal. This is raw, unfiltered demand. Next, we move to Facebook. Its search function is an incredibly underrated tool for market research. Search for your product keyword, but add common dropshipping phrases like free shipping, 50% off, or get yours here. Then, filter by videos and recent posts. This shows you ads and posts that might not appear in the main ad library, giving you a more complete picture of the competitive landscape. Again, dive into the comments. What are the pain points? What questions are people asking? This is free customer research you can use to write better ad copy and product descriptions than your competitors. Third, we look for a unique angle on marketplaces like Etsy and eBay. Your goal isn't to find a product to dropship from here, but to find inspiration for a better offer. On Etsy, look for personalization. How are sellers making a generic product feel special? Custom engravings, unique colorways, handmade touches. On eBay, look for bundles. What accessories are being packaged with the main product to increase its perceived value? This research is how you go from selling a commodity to creating an irresistible offer. This exact strategy is how I found one of my biggest winners. I saw a simple kitchen gadget blowing up organically on TikTok. Regular people, not influencers, were posting about it. The comments were a frenzy of demand. I cross-referenced on Facebook and saw 0 ads. I checked Etsy and saw how I could bundle it with a few small accessories to create a unique offer. It was a purely user-driven trend that hadn't hit the dropshipping scene yet. That's the goldmine this method helps you find. You're not just finding a product, you're finding a wave of organic demand and learning how to build the best surfboard to ride it. Once you've found and validated your product, don't wait. Launch a simple one-product store using Shopify's free trial. Use Canva for branding and create TikTok-style videos, even if you don't show your face. Test with organic traffic first. If it gets traction, scale with ads. But the key is speed, because trends don't wait. If you want me to break down the exact product that made 10K in 3 days, drop a comment below and I'll reveal it in the next video. And if you're serious about building a dropshipping business that actually works, hit that subscribe button and check out my playlist, Scaling Your Dropshipping Business Fast. Thanks for watching. Now go find your winner.